summary of this chapter. It's a very interesting thing. Now listen carefully that grandfather, I have not told you that in his private zoo Toto was there. No, actually grandfather bought Toto. क्या किए थे? grandfather bought Toto from a cart driver. कार्ट ड्राइवर मतलब टंगा वाले, टंगा चलाते हैं ना. ग्रैंडफादर बॉट, खरीद के लाए थे टोटो को. कहाँ से? फ्रॉम आ टोंगा और कार्ट ड्राइवर. ओके, कितने? एट ₹5, 5 रुपये में. ओके, एट ₹5, 5 रुपये में ग्रैंडफादर बॉट Toto from a Tonga driver. When grandfather was going to some place, he noticed that Toto was bind up in a trough, एक गमले में, and every time Toto was looking very sad, but his face, his teeth was very much good. So grandfather was animal lover. He liked it and he bought the monkey from the cart driver by paying ₹5. Then after that, the narrator's grandmother, who was not at all a lover of animal, she disliked. That's why grandfather brought Toto, but it was hidden from grandmother. दादी से इसको छुपा के रखा, because grandmother was not a lover of animal. And every time whenever grandfather bought some animal inside the house, there was a disturbance. बवाल करते थे दादी, कुछ दिन खाना नहीं बनाएंगे, नहीं करेंगे, तुम उसके साथ रहो, हमें छोड़ दो. So that's why it was kept secret. Toto's presence inside the house was kept in a secret from grandmother. Toto was put inside a room, narrator's room के छुपा के रखा गया. But Toto was very mischievous. So what the grandfather do? He take one rope and he bind Toto with a कील, जिसे कहते हैं, कीले के साथ बांध के रखा गया. Okay, but what happened then? Then what happened? Grandfather and narrator, they went. After some time, when they returned, Toto was missing. Toto was not inside the room, and the room was in a very dangerous situation. All the paintings of the rooms, all the pictures have been torn away. The narrator blazer, which was hanging on a hook, the blazer was torn into pieces. And grandfather was happy to notice the intelligence of टोटो का इतना इंटेलिजेंस, होशियारी देख के दादा परेशान होकर खुश हो गया. बिकॉज टोटो टर्न आउट द नेटर ब्लेजर एंड ही टाइड ऑल द पार्ट्स लाइक ए रोप. रस्सी की तरह एक एक करके ब्लेजर के टुकड़े को बांध के खिड़की से बाहर भाग गए. सो ग्रैंडफादर वॉज एक्साइटेड एंड ही वॉज इंटरेस्टेड दैट हाउ इंटेलिजेंट टोटो इज, मिस्चीवियस. देन सम हाउ ग्रैंडफादर वॉज प्रिपेयरिंग दैट कुछ दिन दादी के मूड अच्छे रहेंगे, उस समय हम बता देंगे कि हम टोटो को लाए. बट एट नाइट Toto will be kept inside the grandfather's private zoo. And Toto was very much अमीर, अंबानी बम्बानी जैसे. He will not live with other animals. जलवे है उनका, तो टोटो का जलवे के कारण he will not live with other animals. दूसरे एनिमल के साथ नहीं रहेगा, राजा है. So what he did, जैसे केज के अंदर घुसे सारे एनिमल को मारने लगे, भगाने लगे, भागो, दांत से काटने लगे. So grandfather became surprised. What will you do? एक को अंदर रख के बाकी निकलने से अच्छा क्या है, टोटो को निकालो ना. टोटो वॉज केप्ट विद द डंकी नाना. किसके साथ? टोटो वॉज केप्ट विद द डंकी नाना. नाना वॉज द डंकी. बट एट नाइट व्हेन ग्रैंडफादर विजिटेड टू वॉच व्हाट वॉज हैपनिंग देयर, ही नोटिस दैट नाना वॉज इन ए डिस्टर्बेंस मूड एंड टोटो वॉज नियर हिज हेड एंड ही वॉज ट्राइंग टू पुल हिम बाय हिज हेड. सर से उठा के फेंकना चाहते हैं. ग्रैंडफादर थॉट नाना वाज डूइंग मिस्चीवियस एक्टिविटी विद टोटो. सो नाना को एक थप्पड़ लगाया धड़ाम से. बट व्हाट ही नोटिस दैट इट वाज नॉट नाना's मिस्टेक. टोटो वाज बाइटिंग. ही बाइट ऑन नाना's ईयर. कान में पकड़ के काट के रखा है. उसके बाद टोटो एंड नाना दे नेवर बिकेम फ्रेंड्स. सो next day, after few days, grandfather has to go to collect his pension in Saharanpur. Where? Saharanpur. There was another funny incident. Saharanpur station, वहाँ पे जो इंसिडेंट हुआ, Saharanpur station, narrator was there. Toto was mischievous, he will not sit alone. So for him बैग वॉज मेड, कारपेट बैग, जिसे टोटो दांत से काट नहीं सकते, उसके अंदर भर के उसको बंद कर दिया, सिर्फ उसका सर थोड़ा बाहर हो सके, बाकी हाथ ना बाहर निकल पाए. So in this way grandfather was taking him, but in the station Toto was not sitting there silently. Suddenly जैसे ही दादाजी उसको रखते थे जंप करते थे. The people are looking, एक बैग जंप कर रहा है, बैग जंप, सब सरप्राइज हो रहे देखने आए. He was like a funny incident, सब लोग देखने आए. And when he was returning after taking the pension at Saharanpur station, TT was checking टिकट चेक कर रहे थे. तो इस समय दादाजी grandfather was standing there and he was showing his ticket. Suddenly the bag started moving. मैक्स तो टीटी उसकी तरफ देखने लगे, क्या है इसके अंदर. जैसे ही देखने लगे टोटो सडनली कम आउट हिज हेड, अपना सर को सडनली बाहर निकाले एंड ही शोड हिज एंगर टीथ. ऐसे दांत दिखाए, टीटी बिकेम टेकन अबैक, सरप्राइज हो गए, टेकन अबैक, सरप्राइज हो गए, पीछे चल गए और गुस्सा हो गए. नो, आई विल नॉट लिव दिस एनिमल. सो ही टोल्ड, यू आर कैरिंग अ डॉग, यू हैव टू पे टिकट. डॉग के लिए किराया देना पड़ता है. ग्रैंडफादर वॉज इन वेन ट्राइंग टू कन्विंस दैट इट वॉज नॉट अ डॉग, it was a monkey. But as the TT became surprised and he was shocked by the sudden appearance of the monkey, so he will not believe. He was telling, no, you are having one dog, you have to pay for his ticket, otherwise I will not allow you. So grandfather became a little bit disturbance. He was feeling that can you know this is a monkey, and he put Toto outside from the bag, but still the ticket collector was not believing him. Somehow grandfather has to give 3 rupees as a fare to the ticket collector. But to teach him a lesson, grandfather brought out a tortoise from his pocket and showing the ticket. What will you pay for this? No, the collector was he was very much intelligent. No, this is not a dog, no fare for him. So this was another incident. So many other incidents. Toto every time in his house, grandfather house, he breaks all the things, he cut down all the dresses, he torn dresses, he torn all the hangings, everything was disturbing. Grandfather was very much in a tension, what he will do with Toto. One day what happened, Toto was a very fun loving monkey. He liked to take bath in warm water. And he was mischievous. Every time he was planning what I will do, कुछ ना कुछ करना चाहिए उसको. So what he did, at the time grandfather put one big kettle on the gas stove and it was just started. Toto noticed that he was not having any work, कुछ काम नहीं है, चलो कुछ परेशानी करते. He noticed that the water is just warm like his bathing water, जैसे नहाने के पानी इतना गर्म होता है उसकी तरह गर्म लग रहा है. So what he did, it was a winter time, it was winter time, very cold. He told let's enjoy. उस केटल के अंदर घुस गए. Okay. And he was sitting inside the kettle, but the stove was burning and the water was getting its boiling point, and slowly the temperature of the kettle water was becoming hot. Okay, Toto was feeling that why the water is becoming too hot, but whenever he was coming out, जैसे बाहर आते थे, it was cold, so he went inside. ऐसे फिर अंदर गए, अंदर तो पानी उबलने लगा है. So he was once going inside, थोड़ा सा जैसे बाहर ठंडा आ रहा है, इस तरीके से somehow he was about to boil, आधा उबलने ही वाले थे, until grandmother came and recovered or rescued him from that position. Another incident, whenever any guest came to director's house, grandmother house, he make nuisance. What did grandmother made so many delicious dishes, pulaus, everything. Suddenly they noticed that Toto was on the dining table, he was trying to eat as much as he could. So when the guest started shouting and grandmother also started shouting, he threw the full glass of water towards the grandmother, because Toto did not like grandmother, but grandfather was shouting. Then Toto took out the plate and went out from the window. खिड़की से बाहर निकल के पूरे दिन भर पेड़ में बैठ के पेलते रहे and until he finished the last string, and grandmother was shouting on him, so he dropped the plate from it and it was completely broken. So in this way it was impossible for grandmother to keep Toto with him. Now he thought, I can't keep this monkey because I am living with pension, I am not having, he's so many nuisance he is committing, he is destroying my things. So grandfather returned the monkey to the same Toto driver, to the same cart driver, but this time the cart driver will not take him. He bought it from rupees 5, but now he sold it in a very less amount. You have to find out what was the amount, okay, and what was the loss grandfather made. So this is all about the chapter, student. Read the chapter carefully and ask me your doubts. Thank you and have a nice day.